Welcome to Lumea. Prepare for treatment. Before you start using your Lumea device, make sure you properly prepare by 1. Removing all visible hair, 2. Cleaning and drying your skin, and 3. Checking your device. To remove hairs, you can either wax, shave, or epilate. Remember, if you wax, you need to wait for 24 hours before using your Lumea for treatment. Check and make sure that your skin is clean, for instance that there is no body lotion and that is dry. Finally, it's important to check your Lumea and the attachments for any damages or dirt. Make sure to do the check for both new devices and before each treatment. Once you've completed these 3 steps, you can move on to testing your skin. Check out the next video on how to do it properly.